Prithishka from grade 5. There are many opportunities to recycle the electronic waste generated by households. This device is suitable for connecting battery cells with spot welded joints between overlapping steel plates or plates up to 0.2 mm. Although the cost of manufacturing this machine was minimal compared to similar machine available in commercially. Now, I am going to use only a pencil and blade to show you how we can make a simple welding device. Things we need for the experiment: pencil, shaving blade, some wires, power supply DC 12 volt. First, take a pencil and shave them with knife to see a graphic portion. Step 2. Take a wire and tie in one end like this. Step 3. Take another wire and bind it with the blade. Now, connect these wires with 12-volt battery. I am going to weld this blade using pencil graphite. You can see spark coming with joins 2 points of the blade. Now I am going to weld and show you. You can see I am joined these 2 blades. Thus easily you can do the spot welding, use waste material or electronic waste in our home. Thank you.